Nothing is more seasonally appropriate right now than unboxing my spring FabFitFun box. I'm getting over a cold. It is dreary and cold and rainy outside, and I'm like, just the packaging alone on this box is brightening my day and making me just long for spring desperately. If you are new to FabFitFun is a 4 times a year seasonal subscription box, and their boxes are monster, and they have full-size products inside, from beauty to fitness to lifestyle. You really get a huge variety with each box, and it's so fun to open. I've partnered with FabFitFun for this video and have done a handful of videos unboxing the boxes, and each time I'm like, there's so much good stuff in here. So if you are new to FabFitFun, use my code SMALLTHINGS10 to get $10 off your first box. You can also find that code in the description box right below this video. Oh, the inside is so bright as well. Alright, so the first thing that you always come to is a little magazine, and it has information and articles and a bunch of good stuff related to what's in the box. So I always like to set this aside because I like the surprise of opening up the box, and then I flip through that at the end. And then I'm seeing a coupon for HelloFresh, so that's great, a $50 gift card. So that's on top as well. But now, underneath the tissue paper is the good stuff, so let me rip this open. So the first thing that's catching my eye is this Show Me Your Mew Mew robe. The floral pattern is so beautiful. This is going to be great for spring and summer. Honestly, it gets so hot here. I love wearing a robe. I wear one every single morning, but once it gets really hot here in the summer, I like something lightweight, and this is very lightweight. So that is really, really pretty. Cute. Has a nice little tie here. Love that. The next thing I'm coming across here is jump rope, and Venus Williams is on the front of this packaging. Let me see if I can get this out. I do jump rope at the gym at my boot camp classes, and they encourage you to do something called double unders, which is where the rope goes under your feet twice. And I used to be able to do that before Emily, my third baby, but I haven't quite gotten back into the double unders yet. So this is good for practicing at home. This is a great little jump rope, so that's awesome to have. Move on with your life. There's a helicopter overhead. Go. Get out of here. Okay, that helicopter is not leaving. We're gonna press on. There's usually really good skincare included in these boxes. This is a Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Great for those mornings you wake up and just feel like your face is so puffy and swollen. I love this brand, and this will be immediately put on my counter in my bathroom so I can put it on every morning. That's great. And then this is a vitamin C brightening sleeping facial. Ooh, I've used a few things from this brand before, but this looks like, yeah, vitamin C based night cream essentially that you sleep in. Wow, I'm really excited about that. That's wonderful. I love vitamin C. Vitamin C is good for brightening your skin, and just keeping hydration in there as well. So those are two great skincare products that I'm excited about. The next thing I'm seeing is a Way leave-in conditioner. I've used a few things from this line as well, but I haven't used the deep conditioner, or I'm sorry, the leave-in conditioner. I'm sure it smells great. This brand is known for just having the best smelling products. So I cannot wait to open this up and smell it. But you can always use a leave-in conditioner, especially as we're getting into like the seasonal change, like getting out of winter when hair is really dry, and then getting into spring and summer when you're outside more maybe and the sun is shining on your hair, or you're swimming in a pool. Using a leave-in conditioner every day is really good for your hair. Let's see what else I got here. Oh, this is great. This is, let me get some of the crinkle paper off of here. This is the Sip by Swell drink holder. It keeps, what did it say? It keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours and hot up to 12 hours. That's awesome. Like I said, I've been going to the gym, and I always bring a water bottle with me, and I like the size of this actually. That's good for like one class to work through. So I also really like the pattern. That's really cute. Next, I'm seeing this champagne charcoal scrub. I love body scrubs. I feel like people don't tend to do those very much, but I love those. I have a few of them in my linen closet and usually have one in my shower at all times. If I've got time, I will do a body scrub. I'm opening this so I can smell it. I'm getting over a cold, but I can still smell, and that smells awesome. The great thing about charcoal is it has purifying benefits to your skin, and I always like doing a scrub just for like a relaxation thing, or I'll do a scrub before I'm applying a self-tanner, which I do periodically. So this is great. I use scrubs a lot, and I'm excited about the smell and just how it has a lot of nice grit in it, so I feel like it'll be a really good scrub. The next product here is a body lotion, Mandarin, Orange, and Bergamot. I love orange scented things. Like, I'm not a big essential oil person, but I do have like a citrus oil and orange and lemon oil, and I love diffusing those in the summertime. Oh, that smells really good. It's really light. Sometimes orange scented things, well, this is Mandarin, Orange, and Bergamot, can be like really fruity, but that has a really nice neutral scent. Great. I can always use more body lotion, and that's a great size also for traveling. Okay, so that was everything in my spring box. I got a lot of really great stuff here. I'm excited about this stuff. I think of the bunch that I got, I'm really excited about the Robe, but if I had to pick one thing that I'm most excited about, it's gotta be the jump rope, because I'm really trying to get those double unders again. So this is really great to have around the house. Like I said earlier, if you want to get 10 bucks off your first box, just use my promo code SmallThings10 and enter that in at checkout, and you'll get 10 bucks off. But this is such a fun thing to get for yourself or to also give as a gift. Like I said, they come out seasonally, so winter, spring, summer, fall. So it's something you could like get a few of them and then gift them throughout the season, or just auto ship them to your friend if you want to do that too. But what I like the most about it is you get full size, like actual full size products in it. It's not dinky sample sizes. It's real stuff. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you get a spring FabFitFun box, I hope you enjoy unboxing it as well.